you want to go out? Go out and hang out? That's a no. What about you? Do you want to go out? Thinking maybe that's a yes there. But you, Miss Gracie? Okay, that's a no. So I'm going to guess that nobody wants to go out, but I will check out this tasty treat on the ribs I have. And let's see what happens at the door here. Really? No one wants to go out, huh? Edit that out. Alright, so I got my sound set up here with my speaker and my phone, and we got some ribs ready to go. And he's got the grass eating going on, so. Thought you didn't want to go out. Oop. It's hot out here. Bugs. Right? Keep going, shaky tail. So, no ribs for you? Yeah. Hang on a moment. This might be what he's looking for. How about that, huh? That's a no. Come on, bud. How about that? There you go, that's a good boy. Alright, now you sit back and relax. Someone has to cook dinner. Yeah, not you. We got the ribs started up here. I think after a day of shooting some trombone videos, somebody might be feeling unappreciated. You think I got the blankie out for you? Or just, it's not like you've done anything except sleep all day. Well, Buddy has given up and gone inside, but I do have some pretty nice ribs going there. And having been a Star Wars fan, my Bluetooth speaker is going strong. Not going anywhere, but it's at least saying something. And let's see, I got Buddy inside because we live on a road where people drive poorly. Just make sure he's in there and doing good.